87.6 Egeto FM.
Nteo kuria munini wa Rais William Ruto enimbiego gweketha
my daughter got a spouse.
Muna-Nigeria teu na ni uturene asle mwe Kenya yomba gutuika muthonigu
sasa nyinyi
ari tugutiga twire akibura bonge bugweketha.
It's been 2 years since we met last at the prayer breakfast.
Gatuiguore Kenya bakuga bo maromba jau burathithitie.
After the prayers, the leaders should repent. We need to see them repenting in parliament today.
Bairire na njira iriku.
At least we need to see one leader crying, shedding tears that he has repent.
Senator Malala methori jakuja riruiro rwa kuma.
lakini haiwezi
Kinyagwe Ruto teka jaku jethairwa jari kuraja.
Acha hiyo
Gutiga
bas
gatuthikirie riu munji ujo umite Miru ni uri ukwira anene baria bauagia Murungu
hata uwe munene wacha ukumbabu kuna Mungu
no uri ukwira achunku baria baugaga guti Murungu
hata uwe Muamerika hata uwe Musaina wacha ukumbabu kuna Mungu.
Aya Ruto kuri uo kugaga bo miaka iri iria maromba jari anene baromba ira Kenya jatathithua.
In the 2 years so much has happened. We have had corona pandemic. But even in the midst of this pandemic, we've had positive things.
Taireko
We got ourselves a brand new Chief Justice, the first lady ever in Kenya.
Martha Koome
And also our speaker got an appointment with the elders.
bamwethia spokesman wa Mount Kenya.
And I think it serves him right. After being a speaker for so long, maybe it's time to be a spokesperson.
Kabogo ne ate na abu a siasa bagikobora ambĩrĩria kuthithia ntundu.
tumeitana na tukasema sasa tunaona watu wanakimbia huku na kule, inafaa tujipange.
Nĩ mbio yongwa wa igũrũ bukwenda.
People from the mountain, we want to ensure that we have that unity because our numbers matter.
Inamba iriku liki nyanjui bukwarĩria.
We hold the biggest basket, and if we hold the biggest basket, then our numbers must matter.
Ũrenda kumbĩra mwĩkũno arite candidate ũngĩ o president.
As to whether there will be a candidate or not, refer to the constitution,
Gĩchunjĩ kĩrĩkũ.
the section on who can vie, on who cannot vie.
Iwi article 38 ĩrĩa yugaga Mũkenya wothe na akie kũrũngama.
Thank you.
Nafikiri hilo umeuliza kama tunaweza toa candidate.
Na tũrĩrwa no burite nĩ ũma.
Ni kweli kwa sababu katiba inatupa nafasi.
Mwangi wa iria uga ibo kumenya muturi no ntuko iji.
I don't know who he is.
Katoro meeting ya kuru kwenu etamwethirie spokesman wa Mount Kenya.
You are saying there was a cultural meeting. You should have directed that question to them.
Nimbi kathuri raruma ntu babo ntu baumbuthuko una ibarakiri.
Rĩrĩa muturi aratonyerwe spokesman onto wibu warumite antu baba Kikuyurani
Ni untu bwa ina kinya muturi no Mount Kenya.
antu bau guturo betikia muntu te mwiku omba kwethirwa ari mutongeria especially Mumiru kana Mutharakanithi kana Mwembu na kwethwo munene ubatongereti
Niki waugo u
imbi utuma bare go support Mumiru kana Mwembu kana Mutharakanithi
tucokerie igwa bwithairwa buri na bo ciacene.
antu bau be very selfish be na ira tuitaga green ni antu be very arrogant.
Kabogo ukabukwenda kurungika muntu kaidi.
Bila shaka usishangae ukisikia kuna mmoja ndani yetu amesema
Mutinge sonoka.
Na ate aembu bwathuko ukabukwenda kwira thoni beto ate
Gutigituka wira tuno kumunyitaga no gwetuka Mwembu wetu no wagwetwa ate ni mwambiria kwaria rimu mukithondeka micemanio.
Bere ni bura bunthe buri nkorone cienu.
Riu mwamumirire muothe nginyagia aria matainjuire nginya aria mathirire mago makiruma muturi atete mweganu.
Na ndi buri bera ate abo muthia.
Mukoro mwina ndabu muno ni twambiriria kumuthoma mwe.
Aya waziri Munya nagwe ni mbira kuthuria.
That shocking judgment on a constitutional amendment through a referendum.
Ire ya BBI. Ugwe guti kuthura uthuri bara baronaga constituency ingi.
aba muratomba kachemiro onde buratiana.
Tabatwe South Imenti turathikiritie rege ujo.
Nobody
jaji bau baramikunyire ta DJ bacoka bekira muntu ta Dr. Muiti ureraga antu Southimenti uju
gintu kia mbere tugwite kuthithia ni gu support BBI
ararumire kuigua Kinya Kathuri Murungi ureraga antu uju
ya koroka Southimenti ikuona constituency ingi extra
Gideon Kimathi na arari kinya kwambiria kuona yongeria mubunge
Southimenti kongero Kimathi akamujumbe akakuthuka
jaji bau baruma kumukia kirotone kiu na kuba ikirengo na Regembe Central na ara kinya kukoragitagwa
constituencies iri itwa uratwa itire sub county
Gavana Njuki eterete kuruka bongero ambecha
ithondeketwe buria tharakanithie getithia mbeca kuma 3.9 billion to 6.1 billion
kinya kindi kiura meterete akimichieta iria
Sisi tutapiga BBI.
kana jaji bau akabara miringire mutwe nuntu Raila na mitire nyoka
Geto FM